This is a presentation on the new features within Alphacam 2016 R1. This presentation will look at the changes we've made to the clamps. We've added new functionality. One of the functions is to automatically set initial positions. So we can see we have some beams and pods, and what we'll want to do is pick a material and then select the beams that we want to move, and it will automatically move those under the material. We've also added the option to associate material to a clamp, and then if that clamp is involved in being moved, we will then see the material will move with it. Let's have a look at these features now within Alphacam 2016 R1. I have my drawing with my pods and my beams, materials and toolpaths defined, but I now want to automatically get my pods underneath the material. So let's go automatically set initial positions. We pick the material and then we pick the beams that we want to move. Activate that again for the other material and then pick the other beams. You can now see we get these into the positions that we require. I also need to move this material over to be underneath the machining, so it's all in the right place. So I need, after my saw cut, a move clamps operation, but we want the material to go with it. So let's go and find our clamps, and I'm going to associate it with this clamp. So what we need to do is pick on the clamp, and then we have define associated material. So to that clamp we're going to work with that material. Now when that clamp is moved, the material will move with it. Let's go to a move clamps and fixtures. We're going to pick this one, and we're going to move those by an additional 600 millimeters. So we say OK to that, and that now moves over there under the machining. I now need to adjust my operation order. Let's move that up. We can now watch our machining and our simulation. Let's start with the simulation, click play, we'll see our saw cuts. We'll see our clamp move and then our subsequent routing operations.